1775 of the Constitution by providing for the public.
Known as the Public Solicitor Act 2021, it differentiates the roles and administrative functions of the Public Solicitor's Office as a constitutional office.
Since the inception of our Constitution in 1975, and while as this sister organization, the Public Prosecutor Office, enjoys the Public Prosecutor's Office and Functions Act passed in 1977, under the same section, 117 subsection 6 of the Constitution, the Public Solicitor remains without enabling law to advance his office administratively.
Every institution needs a legislation by Parliament to help administer the office in terms of human resource, in terms of finance, in terms of the function itself that is given. For this instance, the Constitution that gives constitutional function. But we do not have that support in legislation that enables the Public Solicitor and his team to administer that constitutional mandate, which is to provide legal aid. 46 years counting. Yesterday was an historic occasion for this office, for the Public Solicitor and his employees, to finally have intervention by Parliament in passing this important legislation.
So what is the role of the Public Solicitor?
Office of the Public Solicitor is specifically established by the Constitution. Its mandate or function is to help our ordinary people when they are faced with disputes, they need to go to court. The Public Solicitor is mandated to provide legal aid, legal assistance, legal advice, drafting documents.
While the Public Solicitor Bill 2021 was welcomed and passed 80 votes to nil, member for Esa'ala Davis Stephen asked that the office must produce annual reports, adding the report is the only avenue the government will know about the challenges of the office.
What has been missing over the years, and something that the Minister for Justice will have to impose upon the Public Solicitor's Office and the Honourable Prime Minister, is for annual reports. These are constitutional offices that must provide annual report on their activities. There's a reporting condition in our Constitution. And I remember when I was in that seat, I had insisted that all constitutional office holders present before this Honourable House their reporting. In that report, they will outline the kind of service they are offering, how many of our people they are servicing, and these difficulties that we are now faced with.
But it seems the member forgot to check the notice paper that day.
The requirement to submit annual reports to Parliament is a constitutional requirement under the organic law. And so we are required by the organic law to provide those reports to Parliament. The report basically is on the operation, how the function is been dispensed, the resources that are given by Parliament, government, as well as recommendations that must be made to Parliament. So that's basically two aspects of the report that goes to Parliament. The Public Solicitor's Office has thus far submitted to the Governor-General and eventual submissions to Parliament the reports, annual reports of 2017, 2018, 2019 and 2020. We are in the process of putting together the report of 2021, and so we are in full compliance with this aspect of the requirement.
The Public Solicitor thanks his team and all government agencies that played a part in the successful passing of the Act. Shamin Poreambeb, National EMTV News.